my friends, my name is Daria, and in today's video I would like to share the most popular seasonal works in Europe. I'm glad that you have chosen European countries as your destination, and in this video I want to introduce you to popular seasonal works that you can take up during your stay in Europe. As always, please remember to leave a like below the video and subscribe to my channel. Also, make sure you will share if among mentioned seasonal jobs is the one of which you would like to perform. Seasonal work in Europe. European countries offers many opportunities for seasonal work. Seasonal works start mostly early spring on April or May and end late autumn. Industrial and agricultural sectors are just some of the industries where you can find work. In today's video, I will present you 5 popular seasonal activities that are easy accessible to foreigners in Europe. Each of these activities requires certain skills, but above all, a willingness to work and commitment is required. Finding a seasonal job can be not only a source of income for you, but also a great way to learn about our culture and languages. If you have made the wonderful choice of selecting European countries as your destination, I'm here to guide you through some of the most popular seasonal jobs. Top 5 seasonal jobs. Fruit picker. A seasonal job as a fruit picker in Europe involves harvesting fruits such as apples, strawberries and cherries during their peak seasons. This role is physically demanding, requiring stamina and precision to carefully pick ripe fruits. It offers an opportunity to work outdoors and contribute to the agricultural industry during busy harvest periods. Cleaning guest rooms. As the tourism season kicks into high gear from April to October, hospitality establishments require additional hands to ensure their premises are immaculate. Seasonal workers in this field play a main role in maintaining the high standard of guest rooms, bathrooms and common areas. From making beds to scrubbing floors, attention to detail is important in creating a welcoming atmosphere for visitors. Vegetable sorter. Some of the most popular seasonal vegetables in Europe include tomatoes, cucumbers, lettuce, peppers and carrots. These vegetables are widely cultivated across the continent and are in high demand during their respective growing seasons. Seasonal work as a vegetable sorter involves sorting and classifying vegetables according to specific quality criteria such as size, color and condition. Sorters are responsible for removing low-quality, damaged or deformed vegetables to ensure that only products meeting the standards are proceed further or sold. Production worker. Seasonal employment opportunities abound in the production sector, spanning various industries such as food processing, electronics, and automotive manufacturing. Whether it's operating machinery, conducting quality checks, or packing finished products, seasonal workers play a vital role in ensuring efficient production process and maintaining high-quality standards. Elderly caregiver. Providing compassionate care to seniors, particularly during the summer vacation season, is another in-demand seasonal job. Caregivers offer invaluable assistance with daily activities, companionship and emotional support to elderly individuals in need. Patience, empathy and a genuine desire to make a positive impact are essential qualities for this role. In summary, seasonal work in Europe offers diverse opportunities across multiple industries, catering to individuals with varying skill sets and interests. Whether you are picking fruit, tidying up hotel rooms, or sorting vegetables, each role contributes to the country's economy and cultural richness. Which seasonal job piqued your interest? Share your thoughts, experiences or questions in the comment section below the video. Let's engage in a lively discussion and exchange insights on the seasonal work in Europe for foreigners. Thank you very much for watching this video and hope to see you next time very soon.